And what I've done is basically put that end link in the slot, in the gap in the tweezers. That link that's attached to the plate just goes in the gap. Is that clear what I'm doing? And then it should balance in there. If for any reason that's not possible, like your links are behaving badly, what I've done in the past is use these spring tweezers again. Make sure it's as long as it can be. Just carefully hold it and use 2 pairs of tweezers. It's a little bit awkward, but it works fine. So obviously just make sure you're comfortable and you can line up that link the same position as the other one, so it's going along the length of the thing, and then there you go, no problem at all. As this is more awkward to do, I'm going to do it this way, just to prove to you that it's possible. So what I'm doing now, double checking that flat with the solder on there is at the bottom. It's sort of in position, quite strong. Trial run of position of my hand. I can comfortably put it in the correct place and it's lining up nicely with the link. So that's about right. Just going to touch a little bit more flux on the end. Again, all the heat goes into the plate. Get it almost hot enough before you bring your delicate links up to it. It's actually very little work to do holding it in position if you get this hot first. Line that up. Again, putting the heat more on the plate. Just wait for the solder to flood. Hold it in position, hold it still, especially if you're using easy solder, because there is a chance it floods, you think, oh, it's done, and then you move it and it pulls it apart again. So just give it a few seconds to properly set. Have a look around it, should be in the middle, should be kind of straight. The flat of your jump ring should be against the plate completely. If it's tilted up, that's no good. You've got to unsolder it and do it again. So well worth working carefully and getting it right first time. And there you go, they are assembled.